Hi family, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, on this channel we share lots of food recipes that are not just kid friendly but also adult approved. So make sure you click the subscribe button. We would love to see you again. In today's video we'll be showing you how to make these yummy and fluffy pancakes. Firstly, you'll be needing some all-purpose flour, then you'll be needing a bit of sugar, a bit of baking powder, a pinch of salt. You'll be needing an egg or two depending on the quantity of pancakes you're making, about half cup of milk. You'll be needing vanilla extract, and lastly you'll need some melted butter. As usual, a full list of all these ingredients will be in the description box so you can check it out. Firstly, we'll be adding all our dry ingredients together. So we're adding our sugar into our all-purpose flour. We're then going to follow in with our baking powder. We'll add in a little pinch of salt, and then we are going to give this a really nice mix so it can be well combined. If you have powdered milk available as against the liquid milk, then you can do well to add it also to the dry ingredients, but I have liquid milk available, which is preferable for this recipe, and that's what we'll be using. Now to our wet ingredients. I have an egg here, so I'm quickly going to whisk this properly. And then I'm going to be adding in other wet ingredients. I'll be adding in my cup of milk, I'll add in vanilla extract, and then I'll follow in with my melted butter. I'll just give all of this a really nice mix. And next I'm going to proceed to add my dry ingredients in batches. So I'm going to share my powdered ingredients into about 3 batches. I'll just add it batch by batch, add a batch, mix properly, go over with the second batch, mix properly, and then with the third batch. One thing I love about this recipe is that it's very easy to put together, and in 10 to 15 minutes your pancakes are ready. So after mixing, this is what your batter mix should look like. So once you have this kind of consistency, we are good to go. If for any reason yours is a bit thicker than this, you can do well to add a tiny bit of water, but this is what it should look like at the end of the day. So let's get frying now. I'm just going to oil my pan with a bit of vegetable oil. You can use butter if you have available, and then I will just place in my batter. I'm pouring directly from the bowl, so I'm going to use my hands to try and form a circular shape so that my pancakes can be in a circular form, but you could also use a spoon to make it easier for you. You want this to fry on medium-low heat until you begin to see bubbles. So when you begin to see those bubbles, those are signs that the reverse side is already getting ready. You can now use a fork to flip over. And yes, this is what your yummy pancakes should look like. This is actually our son's favorite breakfast recipe, and I'm sure that if you do this, your family is definitely going to love it. I'm going to fry 2 to 3 more batches on a slow pace so that you can really see what the process looks like. Guys, if you've watched till this point and you have not subscribed, come on fam, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, let us know what you think about this pancake recipe in the comment section. Let us know, do you prefer your pancakes fluffy or you prefer them flat? We will be looking forward to hearing your thoughts in the comment section. So like we did with the first one, on medium low heat, I'm just going to try and form a circle with my pancakes, and then once I begin to see those bubbles, I know it's ready to be flipped. So you can see the bubbles now. We're going to flip our pancake to the other side. Yes, and allow the reverse side to fry for a bit, and then you can set aside. We'll be going in with one last batch. Drizzle some oil in the pan, and then once that's heated, you add in your pancake batter. Try to form a circular shape to the best of your ability, and then you let this fry on medium low heat until you begin to see bubbles. So our bubbles are beginning to form now, and you know our pancakes are almost ready. So we're going to flip this, and guys, guess what? Breakfast is ready. As usual, like I said before, a full list of all the ingredients and the quantities is in the description box. Make sure you check it out. And as usual, let's get your thoughts in the comment section. If you have not, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so when we upload yummy recipes like this, you'll get to see it and anticipate, because our back to school lunchbox ideas videos will be dropping soonest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.